So ngayon, walkthrough lang namin kayo. We're shooting a product shoot for Miso Tagyosa. So ang light setup namin, ito simple yan, dalawang light lang. Meron kami itong Godox Lightmon. Opo, kinustomize siya ng Godox para sa akin.
Maliit naman.
Oo. Joke lang yun ha. Nagkataon lang, ayun o. Light Mons. Ayan. Kita niyo yung O, nilagyan nila ng sungay. So yung Mon dyan, hindi po ako yan. Papastor ako eh. So, ayan. So this is the Light Mon LA200D. Siyempre nandito ang ating Octabox na mayroong grid para di sabog yung ilaw. And tatanong nyo, Kuya Mon, ano yung maliit na ilaw nyo doon? So that serves as our fill light para yung ating mga shadows is hindi masyadong dark.
Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace